Picture this. You've just come home after a long day, and whoosh, water's pouring from a broken pipe like a mini Niagara. Floors are flooded, walls are soaked, and staying here tonight? Not an option. Now, before panic sets in, remember your policy's secret superhero: loss of use or additional living expense. ALE steps up to cover the really practical stuff. Hotel rooms so your family has a roof, restaurant meals so you're not microwaving takeout in a damp kitchen, even extra gas or laundry fees that pop up because life's been turned upside down. It's easy to forget this part of your homeowner's insurance. Most folks assume coverage stops at the bricks, beams, and belongings. But when your house is off limits, ALE keeps daily life humming. So, next time you review your policy, don't just skim for the big-ticket items. Check your ALE limits, understand how long the benefit lasts, and make sure it reflects today's hotel and food costs. Because eating out every night? That adds up fast. Questions about fine print, coverage caps, or how to file a claim? We've got you. Old-fashioned service, modern convenience. That's Joyce Insurance.